Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Crew AI versus N8N. Which workflow automation tool is best in 2025? Are you looking for the smartest way to automate your workflow in 2025? Then let's break down the Crew AI and N8N, two of the most talked about tools right now. Now, the first thing, what they are. The first, Crew AI. So, Crew AI is a newer platform designed to build AI agents that work together in a team-like structure. It's focused on complex task delegation, combining LLMs and with tools, APIs, and memories, great for AI workflows like autonomous research work or customer service bot. On the other hand, N8N is an open source workflow automation tool. It connects APIs and services visually, ideal for developers and businesses who want full control over automation without vendor lock-in. Now let's talk about the ease of use. QAI is designed for AI native workflows, so if you are already familiar with LLMs or agents, it's intuitive but it's still developer heavy. You will likely work in Python or config files. N8N, on the other side, shines with its drag and drop interface. Even non-coder can automate tasks like syncing Google Sheet with Slack or scraping website. It also supports JavaScript functions for deeper customization. Now let's talk about the integrations. QAI or actually supports QAI is being a newer supports tool calling and custom tools, but the ecosystem is still growing. You will need to define integrations manually, often using LangChain or similar framework. On the other side, N8N supports over 350 native integrations from CRMs and cloud storage to databases and custom APIs. You can self-host or use n8n.cloud. So best use cases, choose Crew AI if your goal is to build AI agent workflows like an AI-powered research or writing assistant with memory and reasoning. Choose N8N if you want automated business processes like lead management, file uploads, or notifications and data sciences across tools. Now here is the pricing and verdict. So N8N offers a gorgeous free trial and a self-hosting option, making it ideal for startups and prosumers. Crew AI is open source too, but still in active development, so expect bugs and limited docs, but it's powerful if you're building AI native workflow. So here's the final verdict for you, that if you want traditional task automation, go with N8N. If you want to build autonomous AI agents, then explore the Crew AI. So that's pretty much all thing. Like, share, and subscribe for more honest tech comparison. Drop your favorite tools in the comments below.